Yo, what's up? This is Jason Groma, it is Rolex on the mix. So for today's video is magpapalipad tayo ng drone. So today is our first day sa pagpapalipad ng drone. Kasi yung latest video natin is unboxing yun. Ito yung 5" ko at saka ito yung Naked GoPro 2". Ito pala yung pinakauna kong drone na binili. So ano pa to, 4K resolution pa to, hindi pa to Naked GoPro. So na-crash yun, tapos di na may defect na, kaya ginawa namin ng Naked GoPro. So alright, excited ako magpapalipad. So without further ado, let's fly! So ito na guys, start na tayo sa pagpalipad. So i-on ko muna yung yung GoPro. Saan yung pindutan nito? Naka-on na siya. Tapos record. Ayun. Recording na siya. Hello. First time. So, yun, okay na. Goods na to. Tara. Excited na. First time. Alright, medyo mababa. First time sa pagpapalipad. Ganda pala. Kaso ano. Balik tayo. Medyo ano siya, medyo blurry siya, medyo talaga yung dito talaga yung analog sa hindi na siguro ko. Ganda, ang dali lang pag-type yun. Walang tao ha. So di pa ako marunong mag-drive ng smooth kasi alam mo naman na first time ako. Try natin ang first time. May isang problema ako guys, yung paglalanding. Hindi pa ako masyadong marunong. Land na tayo. Land na tayo. So ayun, kahit mag-ingat pa tayo, madisgrasya pa rin tayo kasi alam niyo naman na first day or first time natin to magpapalipad. So nasilawan din ako sa sa araw, kaya doon na-crash, nasangit. So natanggal lang yung yung screw dito sa spare arms. So yun, ito lang naman, okay pa naman yung yung wirings natin, walang nasira. Yung lang, ito. So ngayon, i-try na naman natin yung Naked GoPro.
Oh, you got stars, stars in your eyes. I know it from the way you make me feel so alive. Like I'm up on a mountainside, gazing at the night sky, but I'm just looking at the stars in your eyes. Time I see it, takes me by surprise. You're perfect light, you're shining on me. You're like a dream sequence, you're all up in my feelings. I see your picture, something triggers. Now you're stuck inside my head. Get out of my head, please. Get out of my head, please. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, whenever I see it, yeah, whenever I see it, my heart beats like crazy. Yeah, 'cause you got stars, stars in your eyes. I know it from the way you make me feel so alive. Like I'm up on a mountainside, gazing at the night sky, but I'm just looking at the stars in your eyes. You're like supernova, a beautiful explosion. I might get burned if I get close, but I'm down to hold you. Send me to outer space, I'm counting constellations. Our planets collide, you make midnight look like sunrise. You do. Get out of my head, please. Get out of my head, please. Oh, 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 oh. And whenever I see you, my universe it freezes. My heart rate increases. 'Cause you got stars,
guys, pauwi na ako. Tapos na tayo sa pagpalipad ng drone. So yung 5 inch natin is nasira yung motor. Gusto ko pa sana magpalipad kaso yung battery ng Naked GoPro ko is lubat na. Dalawa lang kasi yung battery ko dun sa, sa Naked GoPro. So wala akong extra pa. Wala akong pera. Hanggang dito lang tayo guys. Sana na-enjoy kayo sa ating first fly. So thank you for your support. God bless. Ingat. Bye bye.